Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and we have our boxycharm PR to open. So let's just get right into it. All the information will be on the screen above and links down below. I'm not affiliated, they just sent me this in exchange for a review unboxing. So if you use the link below, I'm not making money off it, so don't worry. You're not helping me. And the theme for this month is sweet treats. Ooh, another Natasha Denona palette. I loved the last one they sent us. This one, what is this? Peak? This is fantastic. This one is in Ayana, and I've never actually heard of this one, so. Ooh, a coolish neutral palette. I love this. Honestly, I could care less about the metallics because I just don't care about metallics, but the mattes look unbelievable. And over the last 2 years, I've become a huge Natasha Denona fan. Ooh, they are beautiful. Ooh, okay, I'm very excited. Starting off strong. And this retails for $48. Apparently she made this, and maybe possibly the Peak one, specifically for boxycharm, or at least that's what it says. This is the Terre de Mars Radition Body Cleanser. Cosmo Organic. Cruelty-free. It contains coffee extract, verbena, and aloe. And this retails for $22. I don't know if I'm gonna use it actually. I might actually save this for, oh, it's not sealed. Oh, it actually smells kind of nice. Slightly lemony. But I mean, if you just saw my favorites video, I have about 1 million banana scented body cleansers. So I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. All right, the next is, oh, tried this before? No, maybe I tried something else. This is from Touch and Soul, which I actually really like their makeup. I'm not the biggest fan of their priming stuff. This is the Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. This retails for $32. Locks makeup in place, silicone-free, water-capturing technology, locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. Let's actually take a feel, because I feel like maybe I did get this. Now I don't remember. Oh, wow. Oh, you know what? It feels just like the No Pore Bloom primer. I'm probably just gonna pass this on. Honestly, it doesn't feel very hydrating. Although, maybe I should keep it for summer? Maybe I'll keep it for summer. Okay, I'm gonna think on it. The next is a Laura Geller, I just wanna say Monica Geller, Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. Ugh, it's metallic. I'm already gonna tell you I don't want it. This retails for $21, and I'll show you the shade. It's like a crazy purple shade, and it's like iridescent, which is pretty cool, but I won't use it. The last thing is a body illuminator from Eloise. Get Gleaming. Have I heard of this before or gotten anything? Champagne Rich is the shade. Sounds familiar. Ooh, that's pretty. Really pretty, wow. Shake before use. Can be applied to face, body. You can use our unique brushes to seamlessly buff the highlighter onto your face. I don't have one of your unique brushes. Finger it is. Oh my God, it's like melted gold. That's really nice. It gives you like wet, a really nice kind of wet feeling. I'll have to see if it dries down though, because if it stays, it doesn't feel sticky, but it definitely feels like I have something on. I'm gonna see if it dries down or anything like that. All right, so that was actually a pretty good box. Not the best one I've ever received. I'm honestly kind of annoyed with this because it's a very, very specific shade, and it's Broadway glitz, if I didn't say. I don't know. I just think this is a very odd choice of shade to send to people. So that was it. Let me know what you got in your boxycharm this month. A comment for me below, and let's see what is in our next box. So now we have our Ipsy bag. As usual, it's a pointless card with nothing on it, but the theme of this month is Force of Nature, April 2021. And the first thing is a obligatory eye brushes. They actually look pretty nice, but I basically have every one of these brushes. I think I'm actually gonna keep this one. This is the Crease number 7. I like these small kind of fluffy brushes to pack color where I've missed or if it's splotchy, so I'll keep that one and I'll put these aside and add them in a giveaway. Is that shitty? It doesn't matter. It's fine. And these are by Gachis? I don't know. I can't wait to find out how much those are worth. This is the new company, I guess it's called. And this is called The Pill, all-in-one serum, AHA, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Ooh. Everything your skin needs in a single dose. 27 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, and tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten the skin. Hell to the yes. 2 pumps to the face after cleansing, follow with moisturizer. I will do it. Right off the bat, I don't see any of the bad alcohols popping out at me. So that's a plus. Next is the Pixie by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer Hydrating Glow Primer. Smooth over, coin size, all over face and neck before foundation. It just says even skin. I'll open it and then if I don't like it, I'll pass it on. I like the packaging though, that it's nice and like that matte feeling. Yeah, it doesn't feel too like silicone-ish, so that's good. But I wonder if it's going to be like the Catrice Prime and Fine, which I really like, and it's like very lotiony and not like silicone-y. So I'm gonna try this though. It looks nice. The next is the Rescue Butter Lemon Superfood All-in-One. It says you can use it for your face though. No. I'm not gonna keep this because I won't use this. The last thing in here is the Hey Honey Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. A light, fast-acting serum that revitalizes the appearance of your eye contour to deliver a bright, rested look. And right off the bat, I don't see any of the bad alcohols. Gently smooth 1 or 2 drops around the eye contour. I'll definitely try this because you can't lose on a good eye cream, especially in my age. All right, so that was it. Let's get on to our BoxyCharm that I paid for. So finally we have our paid for BoxyCharm box for April, and again, the theme is sweet treats. It's like this is a completely different box than the PR, so that's pretty cool. So this is the Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. This retails for $32. Soothing ethereal glow, captured in a bottle, gives your precious face luminous superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens, cannabis, and pacifying meadow foam seed oil. I think this is skincare. I don't think this, this isn't a luminizer or anything. You know, let's feel it. Oh, you know, it's just like a nice face oil, which I'll totally use because I've actually been looking for one, so. It's a little bit of that smell. I know that smell. I can't tell if it's, maybe it's CBD that I'm smelling. Hemp oil, whatever. Use after cleansing and toning. You can add it to your moisturizer. For daily skincare, add 2 drops or more to any serum, oil, or moisturizer morning and night. I'm definitely gonna use this. And I don't see any scary alcohol in here, so. First product, pretty good. The next, this is the Ampoule Liquid Eyeshadow. Retails for $21. I'm not gonna use this, so I'm actually gonna set this aside for like a giveaway or just something extra to throw in somebody's giveaway box. It's pretty though, it's just, I don't know. I won't wear this shade. The next is, okay, this is the other Eloise Body Luminizer. Is this the same as the other one? I'm pretty sure this is the same shade. I'll write it on the screen if it is. I'm pretty sure it's Champagne Rich. So again, I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. Ultra sparkly, it's gorgeous. So I mean, I'll definitely use the one that I already opened. The next is from Pharmacy, and I love Pharmacy stuff, I don't know why. It's another face oil, which is kind of weird. This is the whole Honey Grail. Honey's really great for your skin, just FYI. Ultra hydrating face oil. This retails for $48. Fast absorbing, non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There's also propolis extract and royal jelly, which are fantastic for your skin as well. And again, no bad alcohol that I see, which is pretty cool. Oh no, it kind of opened a little bit. That's nice. The bottle's a little messy, it opened a little bit. But for the most part, it's mostly all in there. Yeah, I'm very excited with this. Let's see. Just it says apply to cleanse skin AM and PM. I might actually use this right after I wash my face today. Maybe what I'll do is I'll try one on each side and I'll let you guys know which one calls to me more. And that retails again for $48. And the last thing in here is a highlight palette from Kinder, I guess, Beauty. Kinder or Kinder Beauty. Who is this Luna Lovegoods brand? Doesn't she have a Kinder box? I don't know. Anyway. This retails for $15 and it has 3 universally flattering highlighters and marble shades. That's really pretty. Oh, okay, 3 universal highlighters and 1 marbled one. Okay. I don't know if any of these are really gonna work for me. I might just pass this on to a friend or something. They feel really nice though. Probably the one I could probably maybe get away with is if I mix these two. I'll try them maybe, because I really like the finish of this one, but this shade is just better for me. I don't know, I'll play with it once or twice and see if I like it. All right, so that was the box. Obviously this is between 3 of the boxes now. Honestly, I think I like this one the most because of the oils. I really like the Natasha palette, but I'm a huge sucker for face oils, so I think I'm gonna give it to this box. Congratulations, BoxyCharm that I bought. You did it, world's best cup of coffee. That was it, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you let me know what you got in your Ipsy and your BoxyCharm this month. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.